and the economy are really both two sides of the same coin. We cannot sustain the environment, we cannot sustain ourselves. Said by Wangari Maathai, Nobel laureate. A very good morning to one and all present here, teachers, principal ma'am, vice principals, and my dear friends. Humans have worshipped nature from time immemorial. This was because our ancestors believed that the forces that enable their survival must be divine and extremely powerful. But over time, this notion has transformed and exploitation of nature became a recurring phenomena. Thus, the initiative of World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations and since then has been celebrated on June 5th every year to be reminded about the importance of and beauty of this nature. On this special occasion, the assembly will be conducted by the students of grade 11. We will be starting our day with a prayer song which will be led by Aaron Joseph.
Oh God, thank you for last night's sleep, and thank you for today. Make me all through this day obedient to my parents, respectful to my teachers, diligent in my work, fair in my games, clean in my body and mind, kind to those whom I can help, true to my friends, and loyal to you. Amen.
Everyone says that the world is coming to an end. We see dirt and pollution everywhere, but we do not wish to do anything about it. According to us, environmentalists are earth warriors. They are fighting for a cause. What is the cause? They are the people who are fighting to save the environment. When we talk about environmentalists, Sundarlal Bahuguna is the one who comes to our mind. He was an environmentalist who has been part of the great movements to save the nature and its gifts. The Gaharwali environmentalist is best known as the Chipko movement leader. In today's world, there are very few people who come forward and take necessary steps to save the environment. Sundarlal Bahuguna was one of the rare gems. Chipko movement started in the year 1973 and the cause was to save the forest and the trees. What did the people do? People started to stick to trees and hug them. When the officials came to cut the trees in the forest, the people hugged the trees so that nobody could destroy the forest. Sundarlal Bahuguna had to make the movement relevant through his 5,000 kilometers march. His creation of the logo, Ecology is the Permanent Economy, became very popular. Bahuguna was also against the Tehri Dam project. He had been against it for many years. He did not use any violence to save the environment. He had always thought about the hill people and their welfare by building projects on rivers. It would take away the livelihood of people. Bahuguna was strictly against the idea of displacement caused by the destructive activities. Therefore, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that the state of our environment is falling day by day due to pollution and global warming. We must celebrate environment-friendly development to save the environment for a better future in our country. Thank you.
Did you know that the theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration and Pakistan will be the global host for the day? Now, we will have Anushka and Shreya present to you a theme talk.
Biodiversity. It is the key indicator of the health of an ecosystem. Biodiversity conservation and restoration is all about protecting all organisms and species within their natural habitats with the aim of ensuring generational equity. A wide variety of species will cope better with threats than a limited number of them in large populations. Even if certain species are affected by pollution, climate change, or human activities, the ecosystem as a whole may adapt and survive. Biodiversity conservation is vital for economic growth and poverty reduction. A majority of the world's poor live in rural areas and depend on forests, water, wetlands, fields, and pastures for their livelihoods. Biodiversity conservation can also help address the effects of climate change. Conserving habitats can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere.
Various measures that can be taken to conserve biodiversity may include prevention of deforestation, efficient use of natural resources, habitat restoration, and reduction of climate change. Habitat restoration. After an area is damaged by human impact, we can try to return it to a natural. This means bringing back the plants and animals that are naturally found there. This is a promising way of returning biodiversity to a region. Reduction of climate change. Climate change has disastrous consequences for all living beings on Earth. We use huge amounts of fossil fuels, which directly cause climate change. We need to move away from fossil fuels and towards alternative energy sources. Prevention of deforestation. Deforestation has created major environmental problems. Cutting down trees and forests for building homes and roads is also a threat to the ecosystem. Efficient use of natural resources. One of the important ways to protect biodiversity is by putting an end to the use of fossil fuels. These fossil fuels produce a lot of carbon dioxide, thus causing global climatic change and affecting the lives of all living beings on this planet. Using renewable sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydropower, and biomass energy instead of fossil fuels can help save the ecosystem. Thank you.
An oath or a powerful pledge motivates us and reminds us about our responsibilities towards our environment and mankind. Now, Tessa will be leading the pledge for the day.
I request you all to place your right hand on your chest and repeat the pledge after me. I pledge to do my part to protect the environment, to find better ways to conserve our precious environmental resources, to live in harmony with Mother Nature and keep the earth clean and green. I pledge to reduce the carbon footprint by monitoring the electricity I use and switching to clean energy options where available. I pledge to support a sustainable society by striving to minimize the ecological consequences of my decisions and actions. I will use the knowledge I gain to improve and promote zero waste living in communities. I pledge that I will pursue an eco friendly way of life to ensure the well being of my generation and to leave an even better planet for those yet to come. I pledge to address the interrelated and interdependent challenges of biodiversity loss, ocean degradation, deforestation, pollution, and climate change in an integrated and coherent manner. I pledge today for a greener tomorrow. Thank you.
Now, the students of grade 11 will walk us through some of the most important concepts we must all be aware about today. It will be presented by Surya, Yash, Pranav, Vashni, Advait, Tanya, and Harshita.
We have the first question to Yash. What is ecosystem restoration?
Hi, Surya. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Healthier ecosystems with richer biodiversity yield greater benefits such as more fertile soils, bigger yields of timber and fish, and larger stores of greenhouse gases.
Okay, thank you, Yash. Now, the second question I have is to Pranav. How can ecosystem restoration happen?
Ecosystem restoration can take many forms: growing trees, greening cities, rewilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. This is the generation that can make peace with nature.
Thanks, Pranav. So, the next question I have is directed towards Vashini. Who is the host country for this year for World Environment Day, and what has this country done?
Every year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country, and this year the celebration is taking place in Pakistan. The government of Pakistan plans to expand and restore the country's forest to a 10 billion tree tsunami spread over 5 years. The campaign includes restoring mangroves and forests, and as well as planting trees in urban settings such as schools and colleges.
Thank you, Vashini. Next question I have is to Advait. How will we benefit from ecosystem restoration?
Between now and 2030, the restoration of 350 million hectares of degraded terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems could generate $9 trillion in ecosystem services. Restoration could also remove 13 to 26 gigatons of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. The economic benefits of such interventions exceed 9 times the cost of investment, whereas inaction is at least 3 times more costly than ecosystem restoration.
Thanks, Advait. Now, to Tanya and Harshita, how can I contribute to ecosystem restoration?
Well, Surya, you can take action by volunteering for an existing restoration effort, cleaning up a lake, beach, park, or other natural area, cleaning your home, business, school, or public space with indigenous trees or plants.
Okay, so you can make smart choices by pledging a donation or other support for restoration or conservation initiatives, stopping purchases or products and services that are not certified as sustainable, and starting a new diet or catering policy based on seasonal, sustainable, and plant-rich products.
You can raise your voice by putting on or participating in an exhibition of posters, photos, or art showing the beauty of local ecosystems. You can hold a discussion about the value of ecosystems and the threats they face, staging an online campaign to draw attention to climate change, nature loss, and what can be done to reverse these trends. And you can write a letter to your local newspaper. Thank you.
Only one Earth was the simple yet thought-provoking slogan used for our first Environment Day. Now, we present to you an informative video put together by Vivek, Yash, and Vashini. I would like to conclude by saying, if we all collectively work towards a cleaner planet, the human race will last longer. Let's give back more than what we take. Thank you all for making this significant day more special with your informative knowledge and cooperation. Now, Suryavati ma'am, our principal, will be addressing us.
A very good morning to all of you. Thank you for inviting me for special assembly. And it was a very enlightening and informative assembly. I congratulate the teachers and all the students who initiative. Uh, Actually, whatever points I wanted to share, I think most of them have been covered. A well thought out assembly. The statement which I saw in the last video, it is not that nature needs us, that what we need nature, is such a profound statement. Especially during this pandemic when we should be in our lawns, otherwise enjoying the sunlight and the breeze, and having that physical touch is all now boxed into these windows which we are sitting here and trying to reflect on our actions. If there is one thing which is heavily on demand today, is the oxygen for the lives of people. And this oxygen was taken for granted by all of us. In the pursuit of progress, in the pursuit of comfort, in the pursuit of luxurious living, cutting down the trees. And now here we are sitting and reflecting on how to restore what we have already committed, a big mistake what the humankind has committed. Nevertheless, that younger generation like you all have taken time to reflect upon it, guided by your teachers. What is that small bit that we can do? As I told you, most of the things you have covered it, but still I would like to express in my own words. What is that little bit that we can contribute? How are we going to do this? Little drops of water make a mighty ocean. So that small bit, just look around in your rooms right now and see how you can do that. Is there an extra fan which is running around? Is there an unnecessary air condition which is turned on? Is there a lot of things which don't subscribe to sustainable living around in your room? There's a lot of plastic which is there. Are you using certain commodities which you can't live with otherwise and help contribute for this? I think these are the small steps which you should start at first and be proud of that, yes. And then of course, how are my actions impacting the others in the society, among my peers? And how am I a small role model in my own world is something I think we all can think of. A lovely video has been compiled by 3 of the students here. Can we compile many such videos and bring in that change? Can we create a few podcasts and express our views? But the views have to be something which comes from our heart, which we are doing. Something actionable, something to look at with a few examples also. Can we create a blog and add more people, more students, and they come up with their solutions too? Can we just go out of our rooms and look at our neighborhoods and keep this thought in our mind, and how can I help? How can I contribute? And look at our neighborhoods and do something. So these small little things, when we start, we will get into a larger reflective landscape. And when we do that in our own way, slowly, with small but yet impactful actions, I think we can contribute in our own way. 1974 is the year when this World Environment Day officially came into existence. People started celebrating, people started thinking about it, and throughout the years, they started small movement, and then there was this active members who have been working. You also mentioned about Sundarlal Bahuguna, his contribution, and how he tried to make an impact, and we are talking about him today because of his impactful deeds. Can we also do that? And how would we want to do that? Is something I think all of us have to, since I told you, nature does not require us. It is we who need the nature. And let's come out of this selfish feeling and greed that me, myself, my world, my family is enough. No, it's not me, but it is we, and how we contribute to this we is what matters. So thank you, children, and I am very sure that you would continue this not just with this assembly, but going beyond throughout the year, whenever you get a scope, with your teachers hand holding you and leading you into it. And when you turn back and look at this, what you have contributed, you'll definitely feel proud of being a responsible citizen of this community. And as Harvestians, I think all of us should be responsible towards the environment. And today we have taken a pledge, a well drafted and all points were covered in that pledge again. You know, am I going to turn off that? Am I going to be mindful of me, how I'm using how I'm using the water resource, electrical resource? Am I switching on to the solar thing? So these are small things, and I think each of this pledge could be send it to them, Tarunya, again, so that all of them have this and pick these points as to how many of them they have achieved. Maybe down the lane, 3 months down the lane, once again you all can revisit this pledge and check how many of the points have they actually touched, and how many of these actions have they contributed to, is something I think we would definitely want to go back. It's not a one-day affair. Yeah, the beginning we have started, and then I think we, in our regular science classes, in our regular meetings, and a thought or so about it would help us to continue what action we have started. So I am very sure you would all contribute to it, and then see that your impact is felt not just in your small world, but also outside the world, the school and the community at large. Thank you very much, and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. That certainly gave us a lot more to think about the simple contributions we as students can make for a better tomorrow. Now, I would like to call Jennifer to conclude with our school song.
We want to sing at the top of our voices. We want to sing from the bottom of our hearts. We want to shout to the world and all the people of the school and the students who we are. Just like green and the leaves of the sprouting seeds, we are tender and young and bright. They get the sunlight and water through, and they turn to yellow when they ripe. We are the future and pride of our nation. We are the joy to the earth and the skies. We are the hope of a new generation, and amazing creations we bright. Harvest, harvest, thou art bound to be the best. Harvest,